What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this battery organizer. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this battery organizer, including one thing that you should know before buying. All right, so I got this battery organizer like many of you. We had a ton of boxes with a bunch of different batteries, super annoying, and we wanted to do something to actually keep them organized, and this is actually a really good option for that. So it does a great job holding a lot of different batteries. It's not extremely large. I mean, that's my hand. I have a rather big hand, but it doesn't hold a crazy amount of batteries overall. It actually holds 93 total is what it is advertised as. But it does have, a good amount of storage space. You can see all these holding right now. Obviously some different sizes here available, AA, AAA, size D. I think these are 9 volt. Yeah, 9 volt. All these different sizes. I also have these, which are the smaller ones. I don't remember what these are. They're like an oddball battery. This is another oddball battery. So most of them do actually fit in here directly. One thing I really like about it is they actually have this battery tester, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to just take a AA battery here. Let me set this up real quick. Okay, so we got a AA battery here, and you can see that when you hold it against the contacts on either side, it actually tells you if the battery is still good. And this makes sense because this particular battery hasn't been used, so it should still be good. So it also has, comes with these anchors right here, and you can put this on the wall. We don't really care about that so much. We are just placing it in the closet, so it wasn't a big deal for us. It has this latch that actually locks, which may not seem like a big deal, but it's actually pretty nice because when you take it and turn it over like that, and turn it back, all the batteries are still in place. So that's actually a big win there. So yeah, guys, overall, a lot of storage room. What I will say is that it didn't fit these, which is a CR123A, which are kind of common. They're not super common, but kind of common. I think it's important to note that it didn't fit those really that well. You can kind of see them here, and only 3. I tried to put more, it just wouldn't work. So didn't fit, or doesn't fit all batteries necessarily. So you might have a few boxes on the side, but overall, definitely a good product. Definitely one that I recommend, and yeah, we like it.